If you want to follow me, I thought the first thing we'd do this morning is have a cup of coffee. Let's get started. Welcome to my kitchen. Okay, here we go. So I lowered the camera so you can see better. You're not going to see a lot of name brands in my kitchen. I have never found that they make a huge difference other than the price. However, there's always those few exceptions that I do buy, like Oreos. You can't beat Oreos. White Lily, you cannot beat White Lily, and I love Coffee Mate. Those are just a few of the name brands that I will stick with. You're going to want to purchase some instant coffee. I have this one here. This is from Walmart. It's decaf. That's what I'm doing this morning. Also, you can get classic roast coffee. This one I believe I purchased at Aldi's, but you can also get this at the dollar store. But I'm not going to have that this morning because I've already had enough. Then you're going to want to get your favorite coffee creamer. And some of my favorites, I just tried this new one. It's Coffee Mate Zero Sugar Cinnamon Roll. I do like the zero sugars when I can find them in Coffee Mate. And this one I got at Aldi's. It's Caramel Macchiato. And I have found that this Caramel Macchiato is much better than Coffee Mate. Sorry, Coffee Mate. I use this a lot, and sometimes I mix this. So this morning I'm gonna mix these two. Then you're gonna want some whipped cream and some caramel syrup. I got this at Walmart. So I thought I would demonstrate it in a glass, and then I would put it into my favorite coffee mug. Isn't that cute? I got it at Goodwill. I'm in love with this. You're gonna take your instant coffee. You can do a teaspoon, you can do a half a teaspoon. This is decaf, and I like the flavor, so I'm gonna do a whole teaspoon. Then you're going to add just a little bit of water. You don't have to heat this. We're doing cold coffee. Now, if you wanted to make this hot, you can make it hot. Okay, and then I'm gonna go get me some ice. So I've got my ice, and next I'm gonna add my creamer. So I love Caramel Macchiato. And you can put as much or as little as you like. I've got about, I don't know, I didn't measure it, about 3 tablespoons there. And then I'm going to do the cinnamon roll. I'm gonna shake this up a little bit. Just a little bit. I just swish that around. And then I'm gonna add more water. Now you can add milk. If you want a richer, creamier coffee, you add milk. However, I like water because it's less calories. So I'm gonna add some water. And I'm just guessing at this, guys. You can play around with it. And then I'm gonna stir all that up, get it going there. So I poured that in my coffee cup, and the last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray some whipped cream on it. And then I'm gonna take my caramel, pour that on top. I have tried to put the caramel in here without the whipped cream, and it just sinks to the bottom. But if you'll put that whipped cream on there, that caramel will just float on there. So yummy, guys.